It's the end of the day, everybody's tired, nobody wants to cook, so Dad cooks. What do? Barbecue chicken. Check it out. So for barbecue chicken, what do you need? Well, chicken. My recipe actually is super simple. What you gotta do is take all of your chicken. I've got probably 15 to 18 pieces of chicken here, and lemon juice. So I'm gonna pour this lemon juice in here and completely submerge all the chicken in lemon juice. And I'm gonna add to that a little bit of rice vinegar. So this rice vinegar just adds a little bit of extra tartness in there and a little different flavor profile. A little salt. And I'm going to let this soak for probably about 45 minutes to an hour. We will come back when that's done marinating and we'll go to step 2. What we're going to do is drain off all the lemon juice. Take some oregano. This is good stuff, just the regular bulk oregano. This is a Mexican oregano. It's got a really great flavor. So just about that much. Quite a bit of oregano. And I'm just going to grind it in between my fingers to get the little flakes broken down. And I'm going to come in with some salt. Now, as you watch this, you're going to think, my gosh, that's a lot of salt. Well, I got almost 4.5, maybe 5 pounds of chicken here. And you do need a lot of salt in order to coat all of those pieces because it's pretty deep in the pan. And it's going to be mostly on the exterior as well. The other thing we're going to put a lot of is black pepper. Now, I like to use this really coarse ground black pepper, not the finely ground. When you use the finer ground black pepper, it will sometimes bind to the pieces of chicken, and as you're tossing it, it won't really separate as much and distribute among the other pieces. Then I've got some chili powder. So the chili powder can be done pretty liberally as well. That kind of gives it an extra bit of color and also a lot of flavor. The other part is just a lemon pepper seasoning. So I put some of that in there for a combination of flavors. I like to take either avocado oil or olive oil and just coat the top portion of the chicken with that olive oil, and that's all going to be tossed in. The chili powder also helps because it provides that red color, and that red color gives you an indication of which pieces have been seasoned. It's already looking fabulous, and it's going to taste even better. Get a little flame going, and then move my briquettes over that flame so it's like right in the middle of the two of them, and that'll start catching. Now I use one of these grill tops that has the little side wings on it. Really handy for working with indirect cooking, so I can reach down in here and I'm just going to pull that set of briquettes off to the side underneath there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the chicken we're just going to put down the center here. So I'm just going to set these in, and these go in with the skin side facing up. I'm going to place this lid on here, and you'll notice the vents are, you know, probably 75% open, but then the front lip of this lid, I'm going to leave a big gap over there. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow the airflow to come from underneath, roll up through the chicken, and then end up venting out that way. And you'll be able to see that the temperature gauge gets up to about 500 degrees. Alright, so I lied. We're at 550 degrees. Oh well. you guys doing in there? Everybody okay? Did I get you anything? Iced tea maybe? Oh, it's looking so good. Give it a mess. Alright now, moment of truth. It's been about 50 minutes. Check it out. Oh my goodness. And listen to this. Crispy skin. Totally awesome barbecue chicken. So right now, this time of year, the peas and corn in the garden are phenomenal. Okay, well, it came out of there. All right, truth be told, this is my garden. Yeah, it's kind of a work in progress, but it's gonna be a garden. All right, so there it is. Barbecued lemon chicken, peas and corn.